Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be talking about Shiba Inu and creating its forecast, its undervaluation, overvaluation analysis, and its performance over the last key periods. This is our heat map that is available on CryptoWeeklies.com. Looking at the crypto of the day, SHIB is the overall performer. The key performance over the last 24 hours is negative 3%, or the last 7 days is negative 7, or the last 30 days is negative 22. But what is key that over the last 90 days, the performance has been at around 168%. And you can see the performance winners over the last 24 hours is Aptos. HBAR is winning over the last 7-day performance. Aptos again over the last 30 days. But over the last 90 days, SHIB has been performing the best at around 170%. That's why it's our crypto of the day. We update this every 24 hours. Looking at the overall narratives in the market, this is our machine learning based model. Looking at specific crypto related news, and if they're bearish, bullish, or neutral. Bearish ones are in red, such as bad news for DTCC, cutting Bitcoin ETF collateral by 100%. And then US regulator closes First Republic Bank, and then that is a bullish narrative for crypto. Then crypto.com review, all in one crypto platform. And then Bitcoin sell off alert is a bearish narrative. So you can check out each of the news at your own time, but at a 50,000 feet view, you can see that 5 or 6 narratives are bullish for crypto, 2 are bearish, and the rest are kind of neutral. Looking at our PeakValley analysis, the risk where the composite risk, or when which is actually at during the peak phases, the risk levels are at its highest. On the y-axis, we have a composite risk score calculated by using volatility, alpha, beta, and risk-adjusted return and percent drawdown as the as fields for or parameters to calculate. Currently, the risk levels have gone down in the market at least since March, end of March, from 0.35 to yesterday at around 0.27. Still in the orange color. If the risk drops by again 0.07, then the color would be, I think, yellow. Then that is when crypto is in its low, second least risky phase between 0.1 and 0.2. Personally speaking, what has been useful is when the risk, the color associated is in green. DCing at that time has been very beneficial personally, and not DCing during the high risk period, such as May of 2021 or November of 2021, has been beneficial personally. This is not financial advice. So this week, keep on updating every 24 hours as well. So if you are interested in knowing the risk level in the market, please subscribe to the channel. Overall risk meter for a composite risk meter for one crypto at a time, normalized between 0 and 1, tells a story that BTC's risk is at around 0.62. ETH is slightly less risky at this point due to its price decline against BTC at around 0.58. BNB slightly low, Solana slightly above Bitcoin in terms of risk. And then you can check each of the risk levels. Most of them are between 0.5 and 0.7. There are certain cryptos which have a lower risk score, such as ICP, Litecoin, Algorand at around 0.29 risk. Filecoin has a lower risk. So this particular metric is useful to know how much room for growth is left for a crypto. The lower the score, the better it is from its risk return trade-off. So you can access this analysis on the website as well. Looking at the narratives which are popular over the last 7 days, this looks at data from all of script for our crypto content from YouTube and X, and then looking at the narratives which are popular. Crypto and Bitcoin and bullishness is a popular thing which is discussed. Altcoin halving are being talked about. HBAR, Hedera hash graph, which we covered for the last 2 days, has been gaining some popularity. Even Algorand is gaining some popularity over the last 7 days. And today's crypto, I think, features under meme coins, and meme coins are also a popular narrative. At least they were a popular narrative over the last couple of weeks. And looking at another crypto niche such as or lower market cap, slightly lower market cap than Bitcoin and Ethereum coins such as XRP, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot are on the wall. So the purpose of this wall is looking at whatever niche is being gaining some popularity, or some cryptos which are gaining popularity, and looking at if they have some potential as a social indicator. Uh, so this is our narrative wall, and then last but not the least is our portfolio builder, which are we are developing. This is the conservative uh, side of crypto allocations, and this our portfolio builder trained on price action has come up with an optimal portfolio with 22% allocation to BTC, 17% to BNB, 11% to ETH, and almost 9% to Maker, and 6.5% to Monero. This is not financial advice. This is an exercise that we have created based on price action since the bear market began. What allocations would have been most fruitful uh, till date, and you can toggle between. So if you are of the opinion that you don't want the top cryptos in your portfolio, you're more interested in altcoins, you can toggle on this legend over here, and then your allocations will be updated. And if you want to add or remove some of the cryptos in the list, you can update the allocation that way as well. So now let's focus our attention to SHIB. SHIB is one of the top 20 cryptos by market cap. That's why we have an AI extensive analysis related to SHIB. Its forecast, we haven't considered the entire price actions. We considered still the price action starting January 2022 till date, that is about April 28, with a week of April 28, and the following are AI based forecast. This is the range between the current price action at around um, 20 0.000 or 10 raised to 6 power 25, between that to about a 2 or 2 sorry 3x move to the upside. That's the bull case between now and middle of May. And then the bear case is almost 50% drop for SHIB forecasted by our AI model trained on the price and using machine learning techniques such as RIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost. The base case is slight decline between the current price to uh, about 10% or 15% drop from the current price over the next 3 weeks. That's the forecast for SHIB. In terms of evaluation or the crypto eval, this is the comparison of price against the MVRV Z score. The key idea is that if the red MVRV Z score denoted by the red line, if this is below this zero cutoff point, that means the particular crypto is undervalued. And you can see that per the since March 25th, SHIB has been undervalued to the tune of about 0. Negative 123. That's the current undervaluation level for SHIB. And the last but not the least, the analysis related to heat bands, which are the regression bands wrapped around the price action, and those are the key levels to watch for a crypto. And this is trained on polynomial regression function for price of SHIB. So right now the key levels to watch are as the price is close to the 25 uh, 10 raised to 6. The key levels to watch per the model are um, 34, 42, 51, and 63 to the upside, and to the downside are 22 and 18. So those, and in terms of where it is, the trend line is at around 34. SHIB is already one standard deviation below this. The current price is below this level. At one standard deviation would be at around 27, 28, and if it makes move down to the 22 zone, that would be a two standard deviation or 95% price action stays between those bands. So I will illustrate what I mean by that. If we get rid of the upper third band and lower third band, we are left with essentially five bands. One, the band in the middle, the pink band, is the uh, trend line, and the two bands are one standard deviation and two standard deviation, above which the price action stays almost only 5% of the time. So in terms of your probabilities, price staying below this 22 uh, 10 raised to power 22 is almost less than 5%, because it is a composite of both. uh, the remainder 5% is both to the upside as well as to the downside. So that is something that I wanted to leave you with, and hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.